I've decided to start a YouTube channel. I might be 15 to 20 years late. I like to think better late than never, I guess. My name is Sia and I'm the founder of LUMENAURA, a size-inclusive jewelry brand. I've been showing up on all of the other social platforms and just posting on YouTube casually. It recently occurred to me that I have been neglecting my audience on here, all 20 odd of you, which I'm really grateful for. I decided, you know what, I'm going to give this a go. I'm going to start a YouTube channel. And I genuinely think that I am not made for the other platforms, because every time I make a video for TikTok or Instagram, I edit it so much, I cut out so much of it, because once I set up the camera, like I just talk and talk and talk, and that just doesn't work for the other platforms. So I thought, you know what, YouTube might be a great platform for me to do that, to just share my thoughts, opinions, ideas, a lot of the just random shit that goes through my head that sometimes I don't really get to put out there. So I thought this might be a great place to do it. I want to do a little bit of everything. Honestly, I don't think I have a niche. I think it's just going to be a lot about my business insights, maybe a little bit of traveling, because I do love traveling. Although I never really get to travel, it's too expensive, but I'm still gonna find my way around, I guess, local, visiting your backyard, that kind of stuff. I love DIY. Like, I'm not good at it. I'm not good at it at all. And sometimes my ideas, like my DIY ideas, are literal disasters. Hey, a girl can still dream. There might be a bit of DIY content on here as well. I also love doing lots of arts and crafts. Again, I wouldn't necessarily say that I'm good at it, but my ADHD means that I start thinking that I can do anything and everything, and I never finish a project. And so I just have a random box of crafts that I probably haven't really touched in a year or so. We're going to try and do that too. We're going to commit a little bit. There's a lot of stuff that I don't really talk about in terms of my business. I think on my other socials platforms, like, it's all about the end product, but I think on here I can probably share a little bit more about, you know, what my ideas are, what my thoughts were behind doing things in a certain way, sharing tips and tricks of things that I've learned in my journey so far. I've been doing it for over a year in terms of like the planning and everything, but I've been in business for almost a year. And so it is a learning curve for sure. So there's lots that I would love to be able to share and also learn. There's so much out there, and it's incredible what you can do nowadays with just the internet alone. I've learned so much. Like, I have literally done coding on my website, and I am not a technical person at all. Like, I don't even understand coding language, okay? But through the use of AI and a little bit of help, I managed to do some custom coding for my website. So there's a lot of stuff that I want to talk about in terms of like the behind the scenes of business. There's also the creative side, which is me getting to share my jewelry, maybe do some outfits of the day, jewelry of the day. I've been doing jewelry of the week so far because it's just so much more manageable for me. I'm very low maintenance. I'm not the type of girl that changes my jewelry every single day. So I'm sort of like, set my intention for the week. Yeah, I'll just keep that going every Sunday. What else? What else do I want to do? I'm actually going blank now. I don't think there'll be any clear genre or niche that I go into. I think it's just going to be anything and everything. And that's just kind of how I am, to be honest. This is my I'm starting a YouTube channel. I've already got a few things lined up. I've got a tutorial coming on how to make beaded necklaces. In case you didn't know, I make handcrafted beaded necklaces amongst other jewelry items. And so I'm actually going to do a tutorial on how I made this beautiful necklace. That's coming. I'm also going to be making a video on a place we visited. It's a local venue, but it's amazing. So I've got that in the works, and then I've got a lot of ideas. At the moment, I'm working on a customer loyalty type program. I've got a little bit of a little bit of an idea of what kind of customer loyalty program I want to do, but it would be great to get everyone else's thoughts, so look out for that video as well. Let's give this a red hot crack. If you want to see more random stuff like this, more ramblings of me, follow along, and I'd love to have you be a part of the journey.